For those of you that were on the journey through all the tutorials of how to create a basic sway from Microsoft, here is the final product. Fun family holiday cards. Each year, my family created some pretty cool holiday cards. The kids would brainstorm together and pitch some ideas to my husband and I for consideration. They were pretty awesome ideas. Tough to choose. This particular year, it was so hard to choose the final picture. Which one do you think we chose? As the kids grew older, so did our card themes. Texting, the selfie, and our regular family portrait. Most of our kids are away at school. We miss the fun of creating the cards, so we came up with this crazy video. So silly.
Shelf. Do you guys know? Where is it? Let me see if I can find it.
So, as you can see, it's not that difficult to use Sway. It's the effort that you put in and the creativity that you put in. You could change the style, you can change the format, you can change so many things about Sway that make it the most versatile presentation tool that you can use to present your own portfolio, photo collage, research information, etc. So use a template, create your own, whichever you want to do, but I would definitely use Sway. Thank you.